Hi, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a Vauxhall Corsa E in the workshop. Let's have a look. So this vehicle has come in today for the DMX7722DABS. So this is a wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay unit. I have my phone paired up now so you can see Google Maps. We've got Spotify, any other apps on there. So you've got your WhatsApp messages. I don't have anything else in there, but Ringo, parking. This head unit also has a DAB stereo. We've also fitted a reversing camera to this one. Let's have a look at that one. That's the rear camera. There's that one, and yeah, so this radio also has Bluetooth audio and hands-free streaming. And there we go. There's that one there.